our channel released on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Has Netflix renewed The King Eternal Monarch for Season 2? The South Korean collection lovers throughout the planet are eagerly ready to get the renewal to replace for the second season. Is there Season 2 of The King Eternal Monarch? Fans can be ardently ready for The King Eternal Monarch Season 2. However, it's far nonetheless but to be renewed. However, we firmly trust that its second season will truly be renewed in destiny regardless of the truth that the majority of the South Korean TV collection is made best for one season. There's a large motive behind The King Eternal Monarch Season 2's put-off in renewal. The winning COVID-19 pandemic shattered the worldwide leisure enterprise with unfathomable economic loss. The majority of the TV collection and film initiatives had been halted and postponed for an indefinite time period. Despite their famous personal energy, Lee Min-ho and Kim Go-eun did not entice visitors or please the critics with The King Eternal Monarch. Photos SBS Broadcasting highly expected because of the mixture of the esteemed author Kim Yoon-suk and its large call lead actors pairing Lee Min-ho's The King Eternal Monarch fared poorer than expected, clocking low home community rankings and tepid reviews. But why? What went incorrect and whisper it, whose fault turned into it? Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. While the drama was given off to an awesome beginning with the teaser films and premiere, it appeared now no longer to fare as nicely because it turned into overvalued to be. News web website Online Nate pronounced that the drama confirmed a gradual boom in viewership of best 11.66%, made humans to impeach if author Kim has misplaced her magic. This additionally got here with the critique of the drama's overuse of product placement, setting back merchandise in scenes in a manner that appears forced, along with in episode 8 wherein Kim drops right into a comfort percent of kimchi with inside the car. Kim Jun-seok of Jugang Daily wrote, "Is that this a domestic purchasing channel or a drama?" While it turned into clean for netizens to push the blame onto Kim Go-eun with inside the beginning, plainly an increasing number of are acknowledging that the drama did now no longer do nicely because of the cliched scenes and frequently dismal writing. Some have commented that author Kim has but to allow move of the Cinderella trope as she enjoys setting the rich man, poor female mixture in her dramas. Cinema Escapist Evaluate, a web website only for Korean dramas, wrote that the drama is misplaced in a sea of cliches and it now no longer stay as much as preceding works along with Descendants of the Sun, which incorporates thrilling subjects along with gentle and difficult energy among the two Koreas. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel, Release on Netflix.